Do you know that more than half of our Singapore residents stay in these 9 areas? And this is out of a total of 55 planning areas. Let me tell you a story of why I went to find out about this information. A while back, I was helping this buyer family with a teenage daughter to look for a house. Everywhere we go, the daughter finds it noisy. Specifically, she doesn't like children noises. So I thought of this resource, Singstat. Singstat is our national statistical agency. Using it, I found the top 5 areas with residents below 5 years old, and voila, they make their purchase soon after. So let me share with you the top 5 areas with residents below 5 years old and other data I got from Singstat. And since we are on this topic, let me give you the top 5 areas with residents above 65 years old. If you're interested, watch on, because I will dig for more information useful to home buyers from this website. The top 3 areas where residents work in are the downtown core, Queenstown and Geylang. They are all towards the south of Singapore, which is probably why a lot of people want to stay towards the south of Singapore. But because these areas are filled with office buildings and malls, there are not many residential buildings there. And naturally, the properties there are some of the most expensive in Singapore. And because most Singaporeans do not stay towards the south of Singapore, they will have to commute to work. The average travelling time by train or bus is 45 minutes and car is 30 minutes. So now we know that travelling by car is generally faster. Which brings us to the question, how many percentage of households in Singapore owns a car? And the answer is 34% of Singapore, which means that 66% of households in Singapore actually do not own a car. Now I'll answer the question of why is landed property so expensive. And that is because we have only about 68,000 landed properties in the whole of Singapore versus 400 over 1,000 4-room flats in Singapore. Last but not least, if you are looking for a 1 and 2-room flat, these are the top 5 areas. And for 3-room HDB flats, these are the top 5 areas. For 4-room flat, these are the top 5 areas. For 5-room and executive flat, these are the top 5 areas. And for landed property, these are the top 5 areas. My name is Edwin. Like this video and follow me for more property tips.